Welcome to Yukon U Library. In this video, we will learn how to use citation generators. When writing your research paper, it is important to reference from where you drew your facts, ideas, and inspirations. Your professor sets the citation style, and if you don't want to do it by hand, try out one of many tools for this available online and through Yukon U Library. Yukon U Library databases, catalog, and even popular websites such as Google Scholar provide citation generators to make your life easier. Let's look at 3 examples of these citation tools. First, you can use the Yukon U Library catalog to make citations. You will notice that for each item in your search results, there are icons that will allow you to quickly add the record to a list, email a record, copy a record link, or export a citation. Once you find the book or the article that you want to use as a reference for your research paper, simply click on Cite. Then in the Copy a Citation drop-down menu, select your citation style. Copy the citation and paste it in your paper. Let's try the citation tool in Academic Search Complete, one of Yukon U's multidisciplinary databases. After you find the right article for your paper, use the Cite button. Now copy and paste the appropriate citation for your paper. You also have the option of exporting the citation to a citation management software of your choice. Finally, let's try Google Scholar. Once you find the title you're looking for, click on the Cite icon. Then copy and paste the citation style of your choice in your paper. If you're collecting a lot of sources, you may want to consider a citation management software such as Zotero that can help you to create a reference list as well as in-text citation for your paper. Zotero is freely available online. We'll show you how to use this software in another video. Remember, you are responsible for the accuracy of your citation. Citation generators are convenient to use, but may not always be accurate. Double-check the citation using the appropriate citation manual, or check Purdue Online Writing Lab. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, you can always contact the Yukon U librarians by phone, chat, email, or visit us at the reference desk in Yukon U Innovation College.